Hello everyone. In this video we will do question number 4th to question number 10th of exercise 15.1 of chapter probability. Now question number 4th is which of the following cannot be the probability of an event. Now see these four options. Do you see this option B? This is negative. And always remember probability of an event always lie between 0 and 1, both inclusive. That is, it cannot be less than 0 and it cannot be greater than 1. Now since this option B is negative 1.5, that is, it is less than 0. So that is why it cannot be the probability of an event. So required answer is option B. Now let's move to question number 5. Question number 5 is, if probability of an event is 0.05, what is the probability of not E? Now, the condition is probability of E and probability of not E, their sum is always equals to 1. Probability of an event is given as 0.05 and we have to find out probability of not E. So how can we get probability of not E? By subtracting 0.05 from 1. So the required answer is 0.95. So that is probability of not E is 0.95. Let's move to question number 6. Question number 6 is, a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy? Now, since the bag has only lemon flavored candy, so will there be any orange flavored candy? Obviously no, because this is an impossible event. So its answer is 0. Second part, a lemon flavored candy. Since all the candies are of lemon flavor, so therefore it's a sure event. So its probability is 1. Now after this we'll move to question number 7. Now question number 7 is, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? Again we will use this result. Probability of an event and probability of not an event is equals to 1. Not having the same birthday's probability is given. So how can we get the probability of having the same birthday? We will subtract 0.992 from 1. So the probability of having same birthday is 0.008. Now let's move to question number 8. Question number 8 is, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. So how many total balls are there? So total balls are 8. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red? How many red balls are there? It is 3. So total balls are 8. So probability of red ball is 3 by 8. Second part, not red. Not red means they are talking about the black ball. So how many black balls are there? It is 5. So probability of not red will be 5 by 8. You can find this answer also by subtracting 3 by 8 from 1, because probability of red balls and probability of not red ball will be equal to 1. That will be the alternate way. Let's do question number 9. Question number 9 is, a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. So how many total marbles are there? 5 plus 8 plus 4 is 17. So there are total 17 marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red? How many red marbles are there? It is 5. Total are 17. So probability of red ball is 5 by 17. Second part, probability of white ball. Probability of white ball, probability of white marbles. White marbles are 8 in numbers, total are 17. So probability of white marble will be 8 by 17. Now the third part is not green. Not green means red and white marbles together. So 5 are red marbles, 8 are white marbles. So total are 5 are red marbles and 8 are white marbles. So total there are 13 marbles. So probability of not green will be 13 by 17. After this, we'll do the last question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is a piggy bank contains 100 50 paise coin, 50 rupee 1 coins, 20 rupees 2 coins, and 10 rupee 5 coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin first part will be a 50 paise coin, second will not be a rupee 5 coin? Now there are 150 paise coin, 50 rupee 1 coin, 20 rupee 2 coins, and 10 rupee 5 coins. So what is the total number of coins? It is 180. First part, it will be a 50 paise coin. So how many 50 paise coins are there? It is 100. There are 100 50 paise coins. So probability will be 100 by 180. On simplifying, you will get as answer 5 by 9. Now the second part will not be a rupee 5 coins. Rupee not be a rupee 5 coins. How many 5 rupee coins are there? It is 10. So subtract 10 from 180. You get 170. So probability of not rupee 5 coins is 170 by 80, which on simplification you will get as 17 by 18. I hope it is clear now. Thank you.